So finally, the Vande Bharat train is in Kashmir, and today, as part of the trial, the train is right now going through this picturesque valley of Kashmir. And my VJ will show you outside these snow-capped mountains, and the sort of mesmerizing view that I'm going to witness on this train journey is unimaginable. It's a trial run of Vande Bharat train, and historic one, given the fact that for the first time, J&K, particularly the Kashmir Valley, actually is going to get connected by train to the rest of the country. It was in the 70s for the first time Jammu got connected with the train to the rest of the country. Before that, history has that it used to go to Sialkot, which is in Pakistan. But now, for the first time, the railway has finally got the Vande Bharat train. You will notice here it has been specially designed. These windows are heated, so if there is snowfall, it will ensure that there is no snow that hampers your view. There is heating, there is air conditioning, there is maximum comfort, and there are other small tweakings done by the Indian Railway to ensure that this Vande Bharat train runs smooth in Kashmir. There was an internal train which used to run, which was inaugurated during the UPA time, but then after several years, this project was ongoing, and this is a major and a massive project that is ongoing, which is now just completed actually, and we might hear the inauguration taking place very soon. And this is very comfortable seating that we notice here, and if you look at around me, it feels like it's going smooth. Must be going 80 plus at the moment at the speed, but it looks very smooth and comfortable ride. Now this train will pass through 38 tunnels, which covers more than 115 plus kilometers of your journey once you start from Katra. But people have been saying that what they actually need is a direct rail between Delhi to Srinagar, and that will actually help tourism, that will actually help people commute, students and people from all walks of the life. But nonetheless, this project is landmark and historic, which will soon be inaugurated, and the country will have for the first time access to Kashmir through the road link, and people would have to actually buy air tickets during the winter time at a very high cost. But now, with the train coming to Kashmir, you will have comfort and luxury to travel outside. But there are issues. People want the train should come to Kashmir directly instead of stopping in Katra, and it should directly come to Kashmir. One has to see that what happens with that. But yes, this project has been massive. There are bridges, including the iconic Chenab Bridge, which has a length of 113.15 meters and has an arch span of 467 meters. And this is this is actually 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, and is a massive engineering work that has been done. You will notice here that this goes through the beautiful valley of Kashmir, and in the months of snow, you will miss riding Vande Bharat if you are not commuting through it. But there are major challenges. This will boost economy, this will boost tourism. But the challenge right now is to make sure that this train comes directly from Delhi to Srinagar and does not make a lot of stops, because it is in Katra that you have to change. But the government wants, including the Chief Minister, and they have they possibly communicated the message that this train should directly commute from Delhi to Srinagar, ensure that people get the best of travel. And so I'll show you one more thing. My VJ will come with me. You'll see, as part of the security, CCTV cameras are placed around everywhere, and CCTV cameras have been placed there, and you will also get a touch of heating. It's cold outside, but it's hot inside, it feels warm inside. And there are also security personnel deployed inside this Vande Bharat train. It's a massive infrastructure push that the government has been trying to pursue in Kashmir Valley to ensure that this railway finally comes to Kashmir. And what we also know is that this Vande Bharat train will initially go between Katra to Srinagar station, but the demand is coming from people. They should have a direct rail link from Delhi to Kashmir, so that this trail link will be helpful for not only the businesses but also for the commuters who want to travel hassle-free during the winter time when the airfares are very high, and will help the tourism economy of Kashmir. You will notice here that you can keep your stuff up there, and there are window seats which will give a panoramic view of Kashmir Valley, which is something which people have been desiring and dreaming. And there are 38 tunnels through which it will pass, which have 38 tunnels have a length of 119 kilometers, so major part of it will be inside the tunnel, and it has been ensured that despite the bad weather and harsh weather conditions, this train will ply and help boost JNK and help people to come off with train to Kashmir Valley. And something now the demand is to make sure not only Katra, but also this should go direct between Delhi to Srinagar, and something the demand that has been echoed from the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir as well. I have a batch of tourists with me who are at the railway station, though they are going to board till Banihal only, but Vande Bharat is going to be soon operational in Kashmir. We'll ask them about the experience that they have had, and particularly the train service. Vande Bharat शुरू होने वाली है, कश्मीर को पहली बार दिल्ली से जुड़ जाएगी, और आप शायद अभी तो नहीं जा पाएंगे, लेकिन जो सफ़र करते हैं आपके लिए ट्रेन से सफ़र करना कितना लाभदायक हो जाएगा?
बहुत लाभदायक हो जाएगा। जैसा कि देखा जाए कि हम दिल्ली से हैं, और भाई मतलब ये समझ लो कि हम जम्मू कश्मीर आने के लिए 3 जगह से चेंज करते हैं, तो अब ऐसा हो जाएगा, ये सुविधा हो जाएगा हमारे पास, तो हम डायरेक्ट आ जा सकते हैं। और ये हमारे लिए नहीं, सारे जो भी हैं आम जनता के लिए, सबके लिए लाभदायक है।
आपको पता है कि पूरा भारत जो है रेलवे से ट्रैवल करता है और आप बहुत सारी जगह पे जाता है, तो जो अगर वंदे भारत यहाँ आती है, तो आप दिल्ली से शायद बस से आए हों, गाड़ी बदल के आए हों, तो अगर दिल्ली से डायरेक्ट चलती है कश्मीर की तरफ, तो क्या आपका आगे प्लान रहेगा?
अगर दिल्ली से सीधा कश्मीर के लिए अगर हमको ट्रेन मिल जाती है तो मतलब बिल्कुल अच्छा हो जाएगा कि सीधे सीधे हम पहुंच जाएंगे, क्योंकि हम भी दिल्ली से ही हैं। हमें पहले दिल्ली से हम यहाँ वैष्णो देवी गए थे, दिल्ली से हमें कटरा के लिए ट्रेन पकड़नी पड़ी, पहले हम कटरा गए, फिर वहाँ से वैष्णो देवी हो आके फिर हमने वहाँ से पहले गाड़ी करी, बनिहाल आने के लिए टैक्सी करी, फिर टैक्सी से हमने यहाँ के लिए ट्रेन करी, फिर यहाँ से हमने फिर से वापसी टैक्सी करी आगे घूमने के लिए।
इजी टू ट्रैवल है, इजी टू ट्रैवल है वहाँ से आने के लिए, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतलब इजी रहता है कि मतलब एक बार में बार बार कोई मतलब व्हीकल नहीं बदलना पड़ता, और ना कहीं इधर उधर जाने का वो है, सीधा यहाँ पे हम आ सकते हैं और अपना डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच सकते हैं।
तो आप में से किसी ने वंदे भारत में ट्रैवल किया है इससे पहले?
किया है।
तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है इससे पहले, और अगर वो वंदे भारत जब यहाँ आएगी, क्योंकि आज ट्रायल रन होने वाला है,
क्योंकि यहाँ पे आएगी तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता भी लगेगा टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, और ज़्यादा जानकारी भी प्राप्त होगी, क्योंकि इससे पहले 370 से पहले यहाँ पे कुछ इतना डेवलप नहीं हुआ था। ये
हाँ, तो आपसे पूछेंगे कि इससे कितना असर पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप दिल्ली से आए हैं, तो अब कनेक्ट डायरेक्ट हो जाएगा, ट्रैवल टाइम कम हो जाएगा, लोग आते जाते रहेंगे, और पहली
बेसिक चीज़ है हमारा बजट जो होगा वो हल्का हो जाएगा, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी।